Welcome back to my channel, Discover with Kim. I am Kim. I am so excited to have you here today. And this is Django. And that back there is Marbles. They are both very excited to have you here today. Today, we're going to go on a nature adventure. In today's vlog, we are going to go and explore Holden Arboretum Forests and Gardens. It is a collection of forests and gardens, so an arboretum that's about an hour away from my house. I went and I visited in late July, so in the height of summer, and I brought my camera along and I took some videos and I thought I would share them with you guys. Goodbye, Django. Holden Arboretum includes several great attractions. There are, of course, the gardens, which you get to walk through and explore. That is Mittens. Hello, Mittens. There's the gardens that you get to walk through and explore, but in addition to that, there's also a couple bigger attractions that you get to check out. First, you'll see Emergent Canopy Walk, which is a walk in the canopy of the trees. It is 65 feet above the ground, and you get to walk through the treetops and see as the birds do. The next attraction that you're going to see is the Calbearer Emergent Tower. This is a tower that is 120 feet up. It is about 200 steps. You go around in circles all the way up, and then once you hit the top, you're going to be up above the trees, which is amazing. You can see for miles and miles. You can see very little mountains on the one side. On the other side, you can see the Great Lakes. It's beautiful. You get to see above the trees what it's like to be up there and just hang out. And then finally, there is actually a really cool structure made by an artist. It's the tilt-a-whirl structure. We'll walk through that a little bit and explore that, as well as all of the gardens. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. I want to thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you like it at all, maybe give it a little thumbs up. Leave some comments below. Let me know what nature you're discovering. If you've ever been to Holden Arboretum, or if you've ever seen anything similar to these attractions, I think that would be awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here, and give me a follow because I hope to keep these vlogs going. Without further ado, let's go discover Holden and let's go have some fun.